Click on the link below to get price. The ANCHER Electric Bike for adults is a remarkable blend of power, efficiency, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for both commuting and recreational rides. With a peak 750W motor, it delivers impressive acceleration and speed, allowing riders to conquer hills and rough terrains effortlessly. The bike showcases a sleek design, combining functionality with a modern aesthetic that appeals to a variety of tastes. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its fast charging capability. The 3-hour charge time is a game-changer, ensuring that you spend less time waiting and more time riding. This means you can easily charge it during your lunch break or overnight and be ready for a full day of adventures. The 50-mile range on a single charge is impressive, especially for an electric bike in this price range, enabling longer rides without the anxiety of running out of battery. Comfort is not overlooked, as the ANCHER Electric Bike is equipped with a large, cushioned seat and ergonomic handlebars that promote a relaxed riding position. The adjustable seat height is a thoughtful touch, accommodating different riders' heights. The front fork suspension system absorbs shocks from uneven surfaces, enhancing the overall riding experience. In terms of safety features, the bike comes with front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. The LED headlight and horn add an extra layer of security, particularly for night riding. The bike also includes a user-friendly LCD display that shows speed, battery level, and distance traveled, keeping you informed throughout your journey. The build quality is commendable, with a sturdy frame that can withstand daily use. Overall, the ANCHER Electric Bike for adults impresses with its performance, comfort, and features. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or exploring the outdoors, this e-bike delivers an enjoyable and efficient riding experience, making it a worthy investment for anyone looking to enhance their mobility.